Yeah, so
super wide and you put it like in your fucking nose.
We're down here at Elite Power Sports and we're working on shit. Hey guys, what's going on? We down here at Elite Power Sports, man. We got Soli, we got John over here.
What's popping?
Working on Ant's bike, doing a little bit of transmission work.
A little bit. The thing's coming out.
Yeah, we gotta pull the transmission out.
It's Tuesday. Got bad little builds Saturday, so we have, and it needs all new axles.
Yeah, it needs 2 new axles, snorkel gear. No, it turns out that the transmission is what the.
Oh, that's why I thought the diff was bad.
That's why you thought the diff was bad.
So the transmission's gonna be out tonight. That's Tuesday. Axles won't be until Thursday.
Yeah.
Then the transmission's probably go back in Thursday.
Yeah.
And then,
hopefully that's the game plan at least.
Yeah.
So we got to get the snorkel gear overnighted, and transmission hopefully will be out tonight. Axles will be here Thursday.
It's what, 6:30. I left work, came here. He just got off. So we're gonna hopefully bust the shit out tonight.
Hopefully it's not gonna be too bad. We gotta take the bed off, take basically everything you see off, and then pull the transmission out.
That's gonna be fun getting off. Because then you weld it on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he did actually. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, so right now the guys they're taking out the front diff. They just took the steering rack out.
We're just trying to finagle the front diff out, really. Just a whole bunch of bullshit.
You're still on the bottom of the steering box.
I am buying like a steering box.
Yeah.
Here, I'll try and stick the steering.
The only thing that's bottom up.
I can't pick it up any higher than what it is.
Yeah, it's because the damn thing's still. Try to turn the steering wheel.
Which way you want me to get?
Anyway, we get.
Wait, go back up here. Right there. You're more out of the way than you were.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. Time and hour. Yeah, well, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make.
Golly.
There it is.
Oh, look at that nasty bitch.
Wow. Yeah, show that, show that.
She's been leaking for a while.
Yeah.
Look at all the greasy ass mud inside.
Look at all the greasy ass mud in this motherfucker.
That's what I'm saying,
I think
dude.
that seal's a little cooked.
How long you say it's been leaking?
Oh, couple years.
Where do you want that? A couple of years.
Stock fucked up, bro. Never been in it.
Really?
Yep.
No shit.
So they just got the front diff out and they took it back here to the parts washer and we're gonna see how bad it really is.
I normally pressure wash this first.
That thing is nasty.
But no fucks today.
Yeah, you mess with the man's fan. Come on, son.
Hey, bro. I meant to go down one foot.
What you think about it, man?
I don't know. It's probably gonna be pretty fucked up in there.
Yeah, I bet it's fine.
You think
Just need
so?
some seals.
I don't think so.
So John doesn't think it's that bad.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see.
It's not very tight. Look at us leaking.
Well, that was good.
At least 3 were tight.
It's a mess.
I'll make sure not to get the bench in it. That's not that's not that bad.
I've never been in it. It's a stock fucked up. Not even once.
Well, Johnny Boy was right.
Maybe.
Oh, we're not
Maybe. Not done yet?
He ain't got any goods.
That's good. Oh, well, I ain't bent this yet.
Oh, it's so good now. Any cracks?
No. I've never been in it, bro.
That's crazy, bro. Mine was all fucked up when I took mine apart.
So yours was leaking bad. Like, cause our bikes get water in it because they touch. Our front diffs touch water often, so they get full of shit. Front diffs work well.
Yeah. Pretty impressed. Yet again, fucking stock front diff from 50s.
Yes, sir.
That pin's got a little wear to it.
That does?
Oh!
Oh, yeah, that's no good.
Look at him.
Something's been in there.
I've been trying to chip them. Look at the wear on them.
Jesus.
But the ring gear looks awesome.
That's almost so nice.
Yeah, it's got some miles on it, right?
Yeah, it does.
Some hard miles.
She's all done now, but that's what was in it.
The siding's spinning.
Yeah. A little
Man,
chewed
it's
up.
pretty chewed up. But other than that, I mean, the bearing's great. You know, nasty sounds.
Yeah.
There's not much rock to it, nothing like that. I was surprised when that was the only thing wrong with it.
Yeah, so the next step, the guys are gonna take off the bed back here. Got to disconnect the light bar. We got a couple connections under here. Sully's fucking everything up.
Yes, sir. That's what I do. Goddamn. Trying to throw the shock reservoirs since after this lift.
How much you stupid?
After this lift, those
Hey, you got this one on?
shock. I didn't get that one. I couldn't get it.
Where do you throw this up in?
I just put it in the cab. Fucking flathead. Nah, but like I said, before this lift, he's like the only guy on a razor lift with the trailing arms on a general. They have nowhere to mount the shock reservoirs, so they just sort of hang over in the bed. You can't really see them, so it's so goddamn tall. Yeah.
Hey, you want to pick up this board before it gets back full motion?
Just rip it out. There's just so much mud underneath the
Hey, Jared, move that ice chest so we can sit on top of the ice chest.
Yeah, I got you. What, wait. Oh, this one? I think they're so strong, but that only weighs like 20 pounds. I'm just joking. It's actually like 500.
It's at least 500.
At least.
At least 500.
Here, put those bolts in.
Definitely
Yeah.
the minimum 7. Here, don't just put them.
But I'm just doing as
Put
I'm
them in
told.
here. We'll put them.
What? Somebody told me to put them in the bed.
They went in bed. That bucket.
Yeah, fuck it, dude.
Hey, my bike.
That's the way I do it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't pay for this bitch. I'm just playing.
Oh man. Oh man. Are we getting it?
Yeah, so basically, we took off the exhaust and we got the primary clutch off. Trying to get the secondary off, but having time with it.
I don't know how it's moving at all.
No.
Thing's stuck on there.
Where's your line at?
Yeah, they've been going after this about 10 minutes now. They don't want to come off. Okay, so anyway, it's starting to get a little late. It's starting to get a little late. It's like 9 o'clock. And,
Fucking late. It's early.
well,
That's pretty early.
yeah, it's pretty early, but you can't get that all, so we're just going to let it sit there and soak.
Yeah, we're gonna soak it down with some
Hey,
PV
you want to keep
plaster.
this soaked?
Yeah.
Last time I let something soaking, ended up pregnant.
But anyway, guys, we'll come back at some other point and
Tomorrow.
yeah, probably tomorrow and get the rest of it done.
Drink about it.
But anyway, I'll see y'all.